Hey! So today we are going to be making bouncy balls. So first off, you will need borax, you will need Elmer's glue, cornstarch, warm water, and if you want to dye your balls, get you some food dye. And then for materials, we're going to need spoons. We're going to need two things to mix our solutions in. But first, safety. So make sure your hair is secured, make sure your glasses are on, and you're gloved up. So first things first is we are going to make our borax solution. So we're going to take 2 parts of borax to 1 part water. And if it's still absorbing the water, just add some more. It doesn't have to be exactly 2 to 1 parts. Okay, now that it's kind of liquidy like that, we're gonna take our other container and then we're gonna add 2 parts glue. And then we're gonna add 1 part cornstarch. And we're gonna thoroughly incorporate this. This part is very important. Now, once we have our glue and cornstarch incorporated, we're gonna add our borax solution and we're gonna begin to stir. And it'll start to thicken up. You see how thick it's getting? That is our polymer forming. Once it gets so thick that it's no longer sticking to the sides of your cup, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna form it into a ball. And you see it becomes like this rubbery consistency. That's what we're looking for. Now it's the time you've all been waiting for. Let's bounce our bouncy ball. So what's going on here? Well, glue is a polymer. And what is a polymer? Polymer is a chain of smaller subunits called monomers. And then whenever they link, they form a longer polymer chain. This polymer chain, it's originally very liquidy. Whenever we add the cornstarch, it kind of adds weight and it thickens it up. It increases the density of the chain, so it becomes less fluid. And then whenever we add our borax comes in with this sea of polymer chains and it links them together. So this is our borax, linking one chain to another. So the borax will come in and link all of these chains. This linking effect is called cross-linking, and it gives the polymer chains more elasticity and it gives it more shape. So that's why our bouncy ball goes from liquid to a solid and it becomes elastic. And remember, if you want to make your own bouncy ball, be sure to check out the Physics Festival. More details in the description below. Thanks and gig 'em.